Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. I'm making a turkey here. It's gonna be an oven-made jerk turkey. I already made the homemade marinade and seasoned up the turkey very well last night. I will include all the ingredients and the how-tos for the jerk marinade and how I season the turkey. Right now I have my oven preheat to 400 and I'm gonna put this in the oven uncovered for about 1 hour. Then we're gonna come back and baste the turkey. Okay? It's just a small 20-pound turkey. No one here really is a big fan of turkey. My husband is the only one who will eat turkey, and this was given to him at his job for Thanksgiving. And so here I am making it for Christmas dinner, or part of Christmas dinner. So 1 hour, and we'll come back to baste that turkey. Guys, the turkey is out of the oven. Turkey's out of the oven. I'm going to add, I have a stick of butter here that I melted. I'm gonna use to just brush onto the turkey. Boom, hot. I'm also going to get some of the juices from down there in the pan, which I did add a half a cup of water to the bottom of the pan before I put the turkey. I did put it in, I took it out and added a half a cup of water to the bottom of the pan because I was doing it uncovered. It smells like, oh, I can smell the nutmeg and the cloves and the cinnamon together. Just smells so good. Okay, I'm going to put this back in the oven for about 30 more minutes. But about 15-minute mark, I'm going to take it out and baste it again. And that is my oven-made jerk turkey. 30 minutes, but I'm going to take it out at the 15-minute mark and just baste it with some of the juices again. Is done here. Okay guys, carving is not my thing, but I did the best I could with this turkey. So here goes the turkey carved best I could, and I just poured a little bit of the juice from the bottom of the turkey onto the pieces that I'm going to serve. I also have oxtail to go with the dinner, which is why I wasn't fussing about getting some gravy for the jerk turkey. Okay.